Simple BillBook, India's simple billing and accounting software. In this video, let's see how to create categories, products, and manage stock in Simple BillBook. First, open your browser and go to simpleBillBook.in. Enter your registered email ID and password. After logging in, select your company. You will now be redirected to the dashboard. Before creating a product, you need to create a category. From the left side menu, click Manage Products and then click Categories. Now click the Create button. Enter the required details, then click Save. Your category has now been created successfully. Next, let's create a product. From the left side menu, click Products. Now click Add Product. Fill in the required details like product name, category, price, tax details, and description. After entering the details, click Save. Your product has now been created successfully. If you want to add multiple products at once, click the Import button on the right side. Upload your product list and the products will be added automatically. You can also download the Excel format by clicking the Export button next to Import. Now let's see how to manage product stock. Go to the products list, find the product and click the three-dot menu on the right side. Click Stock Details, then select Adjust Stock. Fill in the required details. If the stock is added, choose Add Stock in the action. If the stock is reduced, choose Reduce Stock. Enter the quantity and reason, then click Confirm. Your product stock has now been updated successfully. Start managing your products, stock, billing and accounts easily with Simple BillBook. Visit simpleBillBook.in and simplify your business today.